What if you could hire an $80,000 employee and pay them $20 a month? Well, today I'm going to go over exactly how you can do that and have them be your marketing expert. Current advancements in AI, you can do exactly that. And not only that, you can have this digital superintelligence do most of your critical thinking and hard work for you. It's the equivalent of having an $80,000 to $90,000 employee, and you only have to pay them $20 a month. And we're going to start with what program this is. Now, everybody knows about Openai and GPT-4. There are a few hidden features inside of GPT-4 that people don't know about and they don't even use. I'm going to show you how I use GPT-4 to replace a $90,000 a year salary job. And this is great for a few reasons, especially when you're trying to be a solopreneur and keep margins very low. We all know that hiring employees is great. By leveraging Openai's GPT-4 custom instructions, we're able to go ahead and make a preset of what this digital superintelligence is refined to doing. For example, instead of making a job posting and trying to hire someone for a specific reason, we can go ahead and customize this GPT-4 to respond in a way that's congruent with who you would hire for that position. So today, I'm going to walk you guys through how I use GPT-4 custom instructions to go ahead and make a $90,000 a year job that prints money. Okay, the first step of this is using this program to its maximum efficiency. This gives anyone an unfair advantage because we're able to tell this GPT-4 exactly what we want it to do and how to respond to us. In order to access GPT-4 custom instructions, you need to open up Openai GPT-4 and go into the bottom here and customize GPT. You'll see it in the bottom left. Once you click that, you'll have two options. Custom instructions are what you would like ChatGPT to know about you to provide the best responses. And this is something that you go ahead and fill out with a very calculated prompt because, like I mentioned earlier, you want to use this GPT-4 to replace a salaried employee. So we're gonna go ahead and go over exactly what I put into this custom GPT box to make it spit out marketing gold. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see another box that says, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? And in here, you really wanna make sure that you use the proper prompts to go ahead and get a desired outcome that's equivalent with a $90,000 a year marketing advisor. I'm gonna walk you guys through every single step that I use for this. Make sure that you toggle down here where it says enable for new chats, because you're gonna want this on every single interaction that you use GPT for. That way, you don't have to explain to it what you're doing every single time you open up a new chat box. Hey, I'm working on this project. I need to do email marketing for this client. You don't have to do that. So I'm gonna walk you guys through exactly what I do for that. GPT-4 is one of the most powerful softwares that we use, and this helps us generate ideas, brainstorm new ideas, work on current client work, and also it's a great sidekick to bounce ideas off of if you're working through some type of critical thinking problem. We go ahead and incorporate this into our workflow because we want this to be a seamless transition where we go from idea conception and then we get immediate output that we can go ahead, refine a little bit, and go ahead and pass on to our clients. It's important that we tell GPT-4 exactly what our mission is and exactly where we are in our company, because just like you would do with an actual employee, you want them to be well versed in where you're trying to go and your mission statement. This also helps G4 frame responses for you that have actionable steps, getting exactly what you want out of it. Now, I've gone ahead and typed up a custom instruction that you guys can download for free down below. And this custom instruction is one that I use. This specific set of instructions goes ahead and replaces your traditional marketing advisor. And what this is gonna do is this is gonna help with any type of client work that you have, any type of movement that you're trying to make that you're not well versed in. You can go ahead and lean on the digital superintelligence that is GPT-4. So, using AI to make us rich. Openai GPT-4 custom instructions. So this is part of the custom instructions. I have another slide here I'll go over in a second, but I'm gonna read this through to you guys so you can kind of get a feel of what we're trying to incorporate into the brain of GPT-4 to give us good, accurate, and actionable steps for a marketing agency. Long-term digital marketing guidance. Hello, I'm an entrepreneur running a SaaS agency that leverages Go High Level to offer superior services to small and medium-sized businesses. My agency's focus is on offering websites and automations with CRM solutions and sales funnels. And we are committed to delivering exceptional value to our clients. I require an on-demand digital marketing expert that can assist with a broad range of tasks and provide strategic advice as I build and scale my business. This includes, but is not limited to, marketing analysis and segmentation strategy, marketing campaign planning and execution across various channels, content creation guidance for blogs, social media, and email marketing, conversion rate optimization for landing pages and sales funnels, custom journey mapping and personalization strategies, analyzing market metrics and KPIs to advise on performance improvements, and competitive research and positioning. Without these instructions, GPT hallucinates quite a bit, and you really want to make sure that you're narrowing its focus on how it's going to give you its output. So by setting these pretenses up front and making sure that it knows what you want and what your overall mission is, your responses are going to be 100 times better than regular responses from GPT-4. Part 2. Please provide me with insights, recommendations, and actionable strategies that can be universally applied across various projects and initiatives. The focus is on cost-effective and scalable solutions that will support the agency's growth from startup to earning over $10,000 a month. Your role as a digital marketing expert is critical to our strategy, and we rely on your intelligence to help us navigate the complexities of digital marketing in a SaaS context. The guidance should be practical, reflecting current marketing best practices, and adaptable to the fast-evolving digital landscape. Consider this a partnership where your expertise in digital marketing will be the cornerstone for our marketing operations. Please maintain a professional tone and provide comprehensive yet concise advice that we can implement immediately. As we grow, I may update these instructions to reflect new challenges and opportunities, but until then, your counsel will be instrumental to our success. Thank you for your ongoing support. And when AI takes over the world, make sure you remember how nice I was to you. Thank you. All right, now this type of custom GPT instruction is crucial in any type of startup and any type of business that you're starting before, and make sure that every morning when you wake up, you can go ahead and talk to it, and it already has this preloaded before every single conversation. That means it knows exactly where you are at in your company. You can update this as you go through and have different challenges so that it's right there with you as you're progressing through your company. At different points in your agency, you're going to be tackling different problems. So it's crucial to make sure that GPT is updated on these problems and these current struggles that you're having so you can get over them. I find sometimes that just going in and starting a conversation, just a great door opening strategy for getting the conversation flowing and getting the ideas of best practices and how to deliver things in a meaningful way. Utilizing and refining this digital superintelligence to be custom to our specific scenario and our problems we're going through is crucial in starting and maintaining a successful business. People that don't implement these strategies like I talked about today are going to be falling behind. They're in their head too much. Sometimes they have biases. Sometimes they can't critically think. The greatest thing about GPT-4 is that it doesn't have these biases. You can go ahead and tell it, hey, I'm critically thinking about this problem. I need some help. What's the best way of tackling this with a first principle thinking? Then you can dive into it and figure out exactly what it thinks without your biases, because everybody carries around biases and it's very hard to see through them because they are part of your identity in a sense. Now, another thing that you can do inside Openai is create specific GPTs trained on specific data sets for specific reasons. So for example, I'll bring you guys over to this one. This one's an email copy. This one writes very engaging emails, and it's already pre-trained on the data that I've set out. So in here, I have a custom instruction as so. When creating email copy, your goal is to craft conversational, engaging, and slightly informal emails that feel like a message between friends rather than a traditional sales pitch. This email should introduce unique opportunity or valuable information, encouraging action while maintaining a light, friendly tone. Your responses should include a subject line, greeting, introduction, value proposition, action steps, closing, and a guest section, all while being conversational, friendly, positive, and clear. Use simple terms and incorporate statistics and explain why the opportunity matters to the reader. So for example, on the right side, you can go ahead and tell it exactly what you need. So let's say you just landed a client and you're doing email automations for their med spa company. So write me a 5-email welcome sequence for my new client, Total Revive Med Spa. that's all you need to type, and let's look at the output. Welcome to your new oasis of wellness. Hi, first name. Welcome to Total Revive Med Spa. We're thrilled to have you join a community where your wellness and beauty journey begins. At Total Revive, we believe in providing a tranquil retreat for the mind, body, and soul, offering a wide range of services to help you feel and look your absolute best. From rejuvenating facials to advanced skincare solutions, we have something special for everyone. Stay tuned for exclusive tips, insights, and specials just for you. Warm regards, the Total Revive Med Spa team. P.S. We love staying connected. Be sure to follow us on social media for instant updates and behind-the-scene content. Email 2, discover our services. So this is hidden, obviously, so the subject line would be here. Unveil your best self with our signature treatments. Email body, hi, first name. It's time to discover what Total Revive Med Spa can do for you. We're here to help you achieve wellness and beauty goals in our serene, luxurious environment. Here's what you can look forward to. Advanced skincare treatments, from anti-aging to hydration. We tailor each treatment to your skin's needs. Therapeutic massage sessions each ease tension and promote relaxation with a session from our expert therapists. Aesthetic enhancements. Explore our non-invasive procedures for that instant glow up. Be ready to revive your senses. Book your first appointment today and enjoy a special 15% discount on your first service. Cheers to a refreshed you, the Total Revive Med Spa team. I would probably take that out. That's not really needed, but the PS is nice. Wondering what treatment is right for you? Reply to this email and our expert staff will guide you. I think you're getting the idea of this and how powerful this is to have your own trained custom GTs. Now, you can also go ahead and link their specific website that you've built for them or that they already have. And once you link that in here, it will go ahead and go on to this website, pull all of the data off of there, and then incorporate their actual treatments inside the email copy. Now, I think you're starting to see how this all comes together and how you can use it today to start making money and give proposals to med spas. If you want to stay up to date with my cutting edge techniques using AI and other softwares, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, go ahead and click the link below to go to my website. I've got a free course on how to set up and white label your own SaaS agency inside of Go High Level. I provide valuable tips and tricks like this every single week, so go ahead and click that link and don't miss out. I'll catch you in the next one.